Welcome to our channel. If you want to use Google Maps without an internet connection, follow these step-by-step instructions to enable offline mode and download maps for your travel needs. Step 1. Open the Google Maps app on your smartphone. Make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi for faster downloads. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen and select Offline Maps from the menu. Step 3. Tap Select your own map to choose a specific area you want to download for offline use. Step 4. Use your fingers to zoom in or out and adjust the map area you want to download. The app will show you how much storage space the download will require. Step 5. Once you have selected the desired area, tap Download at the bottom of the screen. Step 6. Wait for the download to complete. Larger areas will take longer to download, so ensure you have enough storage space on your device.
Step 7. To access your offline maps, go back to the Offline Maps section in your profile menu. You can view, update, or delete downloaded maps from here. Step 8. When you are in an area without internet connection, Google Maps will automatically use your offline maps to provide directions and location information. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.